Hey guys, it's MC Fix It. We have this Maytag and the model number is LAT9356AAE. And this Maytag is having issues with the washing machine. It smells like it's burning when it's on. And also has a squeal. So if you think of like brake squeal or like a serpentine belt in your car squeal. So I'm going to show you, you really don't need any tools, maybe a flathead screwdriver and a pair of gloves, but you will need the belts that fit this make and model. And I just got those in the mail today. And so it's got two different belts. It's got a small belt and a thick belt. The small belt is 2-1-1-1-2-4, and the thicker belt, the only difference is a 5 at the end, so it's a 2-1-1-1-2-5. And the easiest thing to do for me was to take this outside. There's not a lot of room in the washing machine area of the house, and so I'm just gonna flip it backwards. Some people just tilt it against the wall, but to give you the best camera angle, I'm gonna tilt it onto this bench. And then be able to give you a better camera angle down below. So after you have this incline, go ahead and take a flathead screwdriver and pop on both sides at the bottom. This is gonna give you a little bit better access, and you lift up and just kind of pull it and you can set it out of the way. The reason is this piece right here is really big and gets in your way when replacing it. So that is the easiest thing to do. You do not have to remove that, but it's just a flathead and it does make life so much easier. So you have three different kind of parts. You have the water pump, you have the actual engine, and then you have the thing that turns the drum. So the first one you can go ahead and take off, and you can see how frayed and dirty this is, and you see this black soot. That is from the belt wear. And so it should be pretty easy because these belts are going to be, these belts are going to be crappy. So that's this thinner one, and here's the thicker one. Yeah, that just literally came off. We'll go ahead and open these up. And so the thicker one is that 2-1-1-1-1-2-5, and go ahead and loop that on and kind of just push it around. Much tighter, much thicker, because it's not all worn out. And this is the 2-1-1-1-2-4. This is that smaller one that goes to the water pump. You can go and put that on here and here, and that right there fits perfect. You can go ahead and start moving it. Probably really should move it here. You should have freedom as you are turning it. It should move. You could clean this up with some rags and stuff. We'll go ahead and put the cover back on. So kind of in the same way you took it off, you're gonna go ahead and take it, and woo, look in there. You can see a whole lot more of that burned rubber. It did kind of smell up our whole house. So that just fits. There's two little pieces that look really similar to that. And then you just go ahead, tap it down. Your hands will probably be dirty, but you can go ahead and set it back down. And you have fixed the two belts. And go ahead and throw these away. I mean, you can keep them in case it does pop off, but if they're already smoking and smelling and nasty, just throw them away. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this was helpful on this Maytag. If you do have any comments, go ahead and put them in the comment section below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you have a great day.